Hi everyone, Sandy here. I'm excited to show my next design team package from Country Craft Creations and what I will be working with this month. I'm trying to think of what I want to create. It's a very fun package, so stay tuned and I'll show you everything that I got. Okay, so I'm so excited because if you know me and you see my intro all the time, you see the cats in my photos. I am a cat person and I received this adorable paper collection by Blvd called Meow. How perfect is this? I can't wait to show you everything. So let me go over, I'm going to go over the papers first. So I'm going to pull this other stuff out of the way. We'll go over that too. But let's bring this in like this, because here on the front are the stickers. And this is just so cute. Look at the borders. We got the pink and the yellow and all the different colors. And then the wording, zoomies. I have a cat that does zoomies every day. Cherish you, friends forever. I love my cat. Always napping. That's the truth. And you make my heart happy. And of course, happy cat. It's a cat thing. And meow. And then we got some stickers with the kitties on it. And then we've got the letters. The letters are just really great. So this is a fun sticker. I love the photo corners here and the tab. So I'm excited to work with that. So let's set that aside. Then I also got this. This is so cute. I've got it laying on the paper, so it kind of reduces the glare some. But this is clear cuts. This is an acetate sheet with hearts on it. So let me see if I can find something solid here. Yeah, let's try this purple. Look at that. See the hearts? Isn't that cute? Sorry about the glare from my window and light, but I got a sheet of that. And then here's some of the paper from the collection. So I got 2 of each pattern, and this one here is called Cats Live Here. Look at all the cats. They're so cute. We got the yellow kitties. We got the black or gray kitties. We've got the calico kitties, white kitties. Everybody's there. So stinking cute with the flowers, and we got them in the boxes. They're always in boxes and just on their little beds. Super cute. And then the back side is this beautiful orange with the flowers. Love that. Now then, we have daily details. These are the cut aparts. So you see the little pink upholstered chair with the cats on it. You had me at Meow. This little cat with the bird. The whole group of cats with Meow. Love is a 4-legged word. And then the back side is this yellow, yummy yellow with the big dots. Very pretty. This sheet is called Borders. Appropriately, we've got a border of cats, flowers, the vet stuff, the plaid. Cat distracted, the inability to concentrate because one's mind is distracted by a cat. And love with the paw prints. So adorable. And the back side of that one is stripes. Love me some stripes. Those are so pretty. Beautiful colors. Now then, if you're not a cat person, granted, you can use this collection by just using the B side or the back side, because you've got some beautiful prints coming up on all of these. This one's called Clever Cat. And so you've got different words in here. You could cut these out or just use the whole page. You got kitty treats. I love my cat. Fur baby. Scratch me. Soft paws. Positively adorable. And the back side is the pretty pink dots. It's got white dots on it. Okay, let's see. This one is Kitty Paws. Now, it's a really pretty teal color. It's kind of looking light blue on my camera, but it is a real pretty teal. Got the little tiny darker paws in there. And then on the flip side, we have this rainbow of stripes. Totally, totally awesome. That collection is, or page. And then this one is Cat Life. All the words, everything you could probably think about saying for your cat. Spoiled cat, kitty kisses, purrs, snuggles, adorable, that face, spoiled, all of that. And then the back side, beautiful purple with a darker purple dot. I'm telling you, these back sides, if you don't do cats, don't let that scare you away, because you're going to want these. Are great and would be great for Easter, which is coming up if you got a lot of Easter pictures you're taking. So here we have fish bones, and then the back side of that is a multi-dot. Very pretty. Lots of designs in this collection. I guess this is the back side because I don't see the name. I'm going to flip it over, and it is Furball. So it's blue flowers on this side, and then the multicolored flowers on the back. Okay, pretty kitty. Green dots, lots of flowers. So see, that has nothing really to do with cats. Would be perfect. And then look at this. This is picture perfect. All the little kitties in their frames. So cute. Let's see. Have I had probably one of each at some point or the other in my life? Probably so. That's going to be my Fizz right now. And Bug. I have two that look alike. The white kitty. I don't see a white kitty. I have a Sassy that's a white kitty. Some of my cats are like feral cats, or they were feral cats. They're tame now. They live outside. They go in and out of my laundry room, but they like to stay outside most of the time. So they're not really inside cats. So you're not going to see them in my craft room. The back side here is this wavy plaid. That's really, really cute. And then this one is Smitten Kitten. It's got all the bright colored paws. And then this side is the pink with hearts. That's really pretty. And that face, look at all those little faces. Super, super cute. And in the background, it's got the little paws and the fish bones behind the faces in the blue part of the print. And then this is like a gray dot on white. All of that's really pretty. Then I also got some of my colors in the solids. So this is Sweetie Pie pink. I got two of those. It's a really pretty textured. My color's pink. And then I got Wildflower, which is a purple. I got two of those. That's a rough texture also. And then I've got the California Poppy in orange, which is the dotted design texture, the raised dot texture on that. And of course, I got my two pieces of 12 by 12 heavyweight chipboard. Oh, my stickers are flipped over. So that is the collection. Let me show you the other stuff that came with it. Okay, so I got a pack of ephemera. They're called Ephemera Icons for the Meow collection. There's 95 pieces in here. Let's see where the glue strip is so I can open it and kind of get a look at it. That is a lot of pieces. There's little pieces and big pieces, so you might want to put that in a sorting tray. Oops, that heart. One more flower. Okay, so of course they all came out upside down, right? So we have cats. Cats on couch. Cats by themselves. Cats stacked up. Cats on their towers. More cats. There's so many. Cat on a pillow. Got to have a birdie in a cage, right? Then the little pieces here, I'm going to kind of put them over here on the side. We have lots of hearts, little birds by themselves, little paw prints on circles, fishbone, little speech bubbles, more hearts. Look at this. This is cute. Little paws, little border strip, a green birdie. Got to have your cat food. Cans of cat food. Now this was unusual. You're not going to see this really in real life. Cat in a bubble bath, but that's cute. We got the collar. My cats don't wear collars because they get hung up in trees. Cat face, another cat. A cat face in gray, a plant. Cats like to chew on plants. You have to be careful about that. Cat in a fishbowl. I love my cat pillow on a chair. That's cute. A yellow and white kitty. That would be my, goodness, can't even think of her name. Katie. And then we have this one with the fish bowl. Another heart. A cat in the flower hanging basket. The cat scratcher. A bird. My goodness, there's a lot. These are so cute. Another heart. Another border of paw prints. That's really cute. Another bird. We got flowers. We got a cat toy with the feathers on it, a stick. They love those for sure. A cat collar. Pink paws. Mouse. Everybody's got to have a mouse. If you've got a cat, you've got a mouse. We don't have real mice anymore because we have cats. But we have a lot of toy mice all over the house. Cat in the bed. There's the white cat. That's kind of my sassy. Gray and white. The cat food bowl full of cat food. Another collar. Sleepy kitty with a pot of flowers, or yeah, flowers. Cat head, flower. I'm getting there. More flowers. A ball of twine. I got 2 of those there. A thing of milk. Don't give them milk. Another flower. Though they do like ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Very tiny bit if they get any at all. And whipped cream. They love whipped cream. A cat in a carrier going to the vet. Another flower. Flower in a pot. Oh, here's another mouse. An empty bowl. Heaven forbid there's ever any empty bowls around. Cats don't like empty bowls. Paws. Another paw. Couple paws. Cat in a box. I love cats in the box. The ever faithful litter box. We have multiples of those. Bones. Heart. Look at that little heart. Pick it up. Hearts. Hearts and flowers. More flowers. The vet doctor bag. More kitties. Orange kitty here. More little birds. Just so much to work with. If you've got cats and you want a collection to make an album, there's the for the vet visit. Another toy on a string. The plant, cat, and some more hearts, birds, and twine. Okay, that is a lot of embellishments. I'll try to get those back in my package off camera. I'm not going to do that now. And then I got Bella Pops. Now these are the dimensional. Got the little acrylic looking hearts and the little cat in the box. That is so cute. And then we got the bird cage with the birds. So you can see they've got a little bit of dimension on them there. So that's super, super cute. Got that. And I got the ribbon. So this is Charlotte's Lace in the lavender. I believe that's what it's called. Charlotte's Lace purple. That is perfect with this. Isn't that pretty? And then I got this really pretty sheer. This one is called 3/4 inch soft sheer in turquoise. Very pretty. And the purple twine. I love that. So we got that. And then something different. I didn't even know these existed. So this is kind of exciting. This is great. I opened it to see what it was. And so I'll put it back in the bag. But this is cutouts. The You're Cute cutouts by Blvd to make a layout. And it comes with Where's the thing that opens? Oh, I left it open. Okay, these is what you use to build your layout with. That's your cutouts. Then you have templates to cut your patterned paper with. So I'll have to show you how to use this. Like if I wanted the Y, say in a multi-dot, I would cut this template out with the multi-dot paper and then just glue the Y just on that white, and so it'll be outlined in white. Does that make sense? And so this would actually go down on your layout. The purpose of this is for those who don't have a cutting machine or don't like using their cutting machine, but you like the design. So you can see on this little layout here the word love, like that. Love, that face. So that's done with that method. I don't know, I may have to do a 12 by 12 layout to be framed, and then maybe some of these are small enough I could use them on an album cover. I'll have to see, because see, we've got the little paw circle there, like this is the love, and then this is like a whole major section here, but you could probably cut some of that apart, I don't know. But each section you would put different paper behind it and attach it to the back side edges, and then this would go on your page. So that's really cute. So that's the word cute. You're cute. So you could use that not just for cats, of course, obviously, because there's hearts. There's no cats on here except for the paw print right there. So you could use it for doggy if you wanted to. That kind of goes in the love circle, like right there. Super, super cute. So yeah, I had never seen these before. I think they've been around. So obviously this particular one is available at Country Craft Creations. I will definitely link it down below, as well as link all the other products, the paper collections. I will link them with my affiliate links so that if you decide to purchase some of this, that I will get a little bit of credit for it, which will help me to buy cardstock and glue, basic supplies for my projects. So anyway, I'll be thinking of a project, working on it maybe in the next couple of weeks. I would say definitely will have it done by early May. I am still working on my Petals and Letters junk journal, which has become huge. Last week I had some personal things going on. I didn't get to work on it quite as much as I wanted to. I'm just so close to finishing it. Hopefully by this weekend I will have it finished and the video uploaded, the full walkthrough. I already have on my channel the different tutorials that you can watch to put it together, the cover, the pages, and the decorating of Signature 1. So what I am working on right now is Signature 2 to finish that up, and that's the Country Craft Creations exclusive heritage junk journal line called Petals and Letters. That's the first one that came out, so you want to make sure and check on that. I have it linked in my other videos. This video I will just be linking the Bella Boulevard Meow and what I received in this package. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, share my videos so others will find me. Check out countrycraftcreations.com for all your crafting supplies, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.